In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to your Google Cloud Platform project using Identity and Access Management, commonly known as IAM, to grant them access with the appropriate permissions. Whether you're managing a small team or a large organization, knowing how to do this effectively will empower you to control who has access to your resources and what they can do within your project. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step using the Google Cloud Console web interface, which is the most intuitive method. First things first, you'll need to sign in to the Google Cloud Console. If you haven't already bookmarked this page, you can find the Google Cloud Console through your web browser. Once you're logged in, keep an eye out for the navigation menu on the left-hand side. It's the one with 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu due to its shape. Click on this menu and you'll see a list of options. Navigate down to IAM and Admin, and from there, click on IAM. Now, before you proceed, it's crucial to ensure that you've selected the correct project in the top drop-down menu. This step is significant because IAM settings are project-specific, and you want to ensure that you're adding the user to the right one. Once you've confirmed you're in the correct project, look towards the top of the IAM page for the Add button. It might be a bit subtle, but it's typically found near the upper section of the page, so go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll find a field titled New Principals. Here, you'll enter the email address of the user you wish to add. If you're adding multiple users at once, or a Google group, you can do so by entering each email address or group name. After you've done that, the next step involves selecting the appropriate role. Google Cloud Platform offers a vast array of predefined roles, each tailored to offer different levels of access. You might go for something like viewer or editor, depending on what the user should be able to do. If you need more granularity, you can pick a more specific predefined role that suits your needs. Once you've made these selections, hit the Save button. The system will then send out an email invitation to the user, providing them with the necessary access to your Google Cloud project. This email serves as their gateway to start interacting with the resources as per the permissions you've set. And there you have it. You've successfully added a user to your Google Cloud Platform project using IAM. By following these steps, you ensure that the right people have the appropriate access, which is essential for maintaining security and efficiency within your projects. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy cloud computing.